Hello, friends. Welcome back to another episode of Movies and Melodies. Today, I'm going to talk about songs that have been influenced by Indian folk music. As we all know, Indian music in general and Indian film music in particular have been influenced very strongly by our folk music. Folk music can touch our souls in a way that other music cannot quite achieve. There's something about folk music I feel that helps us connect not just to our roots, it goes even deeper than that. It's almost as if we are connecting to the earth itself. To begin with, a song from Bimal Das, Devdas. This came out in 1955. Most of you know I love this version of Devdas. There's nothing else that I like that have been made before and after. Anyway, that's another story. The music for this movie was by S.D. Burman, and Sahir Saab wrote the lyrics. This particular song is based on Baul music. Bauls were mystics who were in the Bengal area. They were influenced by Sufism and Vaishnavism. They had connections to both. Bauls believed that all of us have been endowed with divine power. We have that divinity within ourselves, which is why we always yearn to be one with the ultimate divine. And they say, according to their philosophy, the way to unite with that divine power, the ultimate divine power, is through music. Like the Sufis, they feel music is the key to unlocking that particular door. This particular song is just incredibly well created by Burman Dada and incredibly beautifully written. The lyrics have been incredibly well written by Sahir Saab. The scene is where a young Paro, she is in a mango orchard. It was played by Baby Naz. And these two singers come to the orchard and they sing for her. It's a very moving scene, actually. So, as I always say, I recommend you all watch Bimal Das Devdas. From Devdas, in Geeta Dutt and Manada's voice, Aan Milo Sham Savare.
आन मिलो शाम सवरे आन मिलो शाम सवरे ब्रिज में अकेली राधे खोई फिरे
ओ कान्हा
आन मिलो शाम सवरे आन मिलो वृंदावन के गगन में तुम बिंदिया न लागे
दियारा न लगे
इस दिन तुमरे बात निहारे व्याकुल नैना भागे
व्याकुल नैन भागे
अब भी ऐसी दशा है मन की का हुई है फिर आगे रे ब्रिज में अकेली राधे खोई फिरे
Madhumati, another Bimalda masterpiece. I have seen this movie multiple times. It's one of my favorites. I love everything about this movie, the cinematography, the acting, the costumes, the dances, everything. And the music, that needs a special mention all by itself. You have Salil Chaudhary's music with Shailendra Ji's lyrics. And Shailendra Ji, again, like Sahir, a genius, could write anything, right? And especially things with folk kind of backgrounds. He loved it because he was at heart very much a person rooted in the Indian countryside. So this particular song, Salilda wanted to kind of pay tribute to Assam because he grew up there. A lot of his childhood was spent in Assam. But music scholars actually, they feel that it's not quite Assamese-based music. It's more Kumaoni. The movie was actually shot around Maharashtra, around Bombay, in the ghats there, but also some parts of it was shot in Kumaon and in Ranikhet. So maybe unconsciously he sort of was influenced by the Kumaoni music there. The lyrics, of course, brilliant and sung so beautifully by Lataji and Manna Dey for a little bit in the middle from Madhumati, Chad Gayo Papi Bichua.
ओ दया रे चढ़ गयो पापी बिछुआ ओ दया रे चढ़ गयो पापी बिछुआ ओ हरे मर गई कोई उतारो बिछुआ ओ हरे मर गई कोई उतारो बिछुआ ओ दया रे चढ़ गयो पापी बिछुआ ओ दया रे चढ़ गयो पापी बिछुआ
कैसो रे पापी बिछुआ बिछुआ कैसो रे पापी बिछुआ बिछुआ
ओ दया रे चढ़ गयो पापी बिछुआ ओ दया रे चढ़ गयो पापी बिछुआ
हो मंतर फेरूं कोमल काया छोड़ के जा रे छू जा रे जा रे जा रे
और भी चढ़ गयो ना गयो पापी बिछुआ और भी चढ़ गयो ना गयो पापी बिछुआ कैसी आग लगा गयो पापी बिछुआ कैसी आग लगा गयो पापी बिछुआ ओ सारे बदन पे छा गयो पापी बिछुआ ओ सारे बदन पे छा गयो पापी बिछुआ
कैसो रे पापी बिछुआ बिछुआ कैसो रे पापी बिछुआ बिछुआ
ओ दया रे चढ़ गयो पापी बिछुआ ओ दया रे चढ़ गयो पापी बिछुआ
Veer Durgadas was a movie that had Nirupa Roy and P. Jayaraj in the lead. It was based on the story of Marwadi general Durgadas Rathod. Other than the fact that it was a historic genre kind of movie, it was okay. I mean, it was watchable, I want to say. It didn't really stand out in any which way. The music for the movie was S.N. Tripathi with Bharat Vyas writing all the lyrics. This song, it's very, very pretty. It's basically in Marwadi, and the tune is also supposed to have been inspired by Marwadi folk tunes. It's really a beautiful duet, Lataji, Mukeshji. Excellently sung. The scene is also very kind of charming. There's actually a different couple singing the song to each other, but the lead pair are kind of giving each other meaningful looks and all of that. So from Veer Durgadas, Thane Kajaliyo Banalyu.
थाने काजलियों बना लूं मारे नैना में रमा लूं थाने काजलियों बना लूं मारे नैना में रमा लूं राज पलका में बंद कर रखूंगी हो राज पलका में बंद कर रखूंगी
गोरी पलका में नींद कैया आवेली गोरी पलका में नींद कैया आवेली आवेली गोरी पलका में नींद कैया आवेली
तुम्हारी पलकियां पालनी ये झुलावेली झुलावेली पलकियां पालनी ये झुलावेली हमारे नैना सो दूर दूर कैया जाला जी ढोला कैया जाला जी हमारे नैना सो दूर दूर कैया जाला जी ढोला कैया जाला जी थाने चंदन हार बना लूं थाने चंदन हार बना लूं मारे हृदय सु लगा लूं चुनरी में लुकाए थाने राखूंगी हो चुनरी में लुकाए थाने राखूंगी
Ganga Jamna. This was Dilip Kumar's only foray into production. He starred in it, of course, by Jantimala opposite him. His brother Nasir Khan played his brother in the movie. He wrote the story also, and apparently he directed it, but Nitin Bose is credited as director in the title credits. But you know, Dilip Saab had a huge hand, shall we say, in the direction. All the dialogues have been written by Wajahat Mirza in Avdhi because it's set in that kind of eastern UP, Bihar kind of area where Avdhi is commonly spoken. The songs also by Shakil Badayuni, the lyrics have been written in Avdhi and Naushad Saab's music. And this particular song, it's extremely reminiscent of that very kind of raw village folk kind of songs. Rafi Saab, that man was just a genius, give him whatever and he just did complete justice to it. So from Ganga Jamna, Nain Ladi Jai Hai.
नैन लड़ गई हैं नैन लड़ गई हैं तो मनवा माँ कतक होई बेकरी प्रेम का छुट्टी है पटाखा तो धमक होई बेकरी नैन लड़ गई हैं तो मनवा माँ कसक होई बेकरी रूप को मन में बसई बातों बुरा का होई है रूप को मन में बसई बातों बुरा का होई है कोहू से प्रीत लगई बा कोहू से प्रीत लगई बा तो बुरा का होई है प्रेम की नगरी में कुछ हमरा बिहक होई बेकरी प्रेम की नगरी में कुछ हमरा बिहक होई बेकरी नैन लड़ गई है नैन लड़ गई हैं तो मनवा माँ कसक होई बेकरी प्रेम का छुट्टी है पटाखा तो धमक होई बेकरी नैन लड़ गई हैं तो मनवा माँ कसक होई बेकरी
Teesri Kasam, Shailendra ji's passion project. It was shot around Igatpuri in Maharashtra as well as parts of Bihar and parts of eastern UP. It's supposed to be set in Bihar, rural Bihar. The story of a cartman, Hiraman, and you know his love for a Nautanki dancer, Hirabai, and how it fails, and you know all of that. Very, very beautifully made, beautifully acted. Again, it was a masterpiece that wasn't appreciated when Shailendra ji was alive and it was released, but has now become a cult classic. The music, again, Shankar Jaikishan, very, very beautiful music. Hasrat Jaipuri has written the lyrics as Shailendra ji and a couple of other lyricists as well. This song has been written by Shailendra ji. It is absolutely quintessential Bihari folk music. And the scene is where this group of villagers, male, all waiting for the Nautanki show to start. So they're all sitting and singing, led by veteran actor Krishan Dhawan. He is brilliant in this movie, by the way. And Raj Kapoor is just playing the duff in this, and occasionally he interjects little phrases. The story, I mean, rather the story of the song, I should say, is allegorical. It's talking about a caged bird and what happens when this bird is released, what kind of havoc it can unleash. And you are led to understand that the caged bird is referring to Hirabai, played by Wahida Ji, who is sitting there and listening to this song rather appreciatively, appreciating this whole irony in this song. It has been sung by Manada, and there's a whole chorus from Teesri Kasam. Chalat musafir mohaliya re pinjre wali muniya.
चलत मुसाफिर मोहलिया रे पिंजरे वाली मुनिया 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 उड़ बैठी हलवैया तो कन्या उड़ बैठी हलवैया उड़ बैठी हलवैया तो कन्या अरे बर्फी के सब रस ले लिया रे पिंजरे वाली मुनिया बर्फी के सब रस ले लिया रे पिंजरे वाली मुनिया बर्फी के सब रस ले लिया रे पिंजरे वाली मुनिया उड़ बैठी बजवा तो कन्या उड़ बैठी बजवा तो कन्या उड़ बैठी बजवा तो कन्या अरे कपड़ा के सब रस ले लिया रे पिंजरे वाली मुनिया कपड़ा के सब रस ले लिया रे पिंजरे वाली मुनिया कपड़ा के सब रस ले लिया रे पिंजरे वाली मुनिया
Hira Moti. This was such a good movie. It's based on Munshi Premchand's short story, Do Bailon Ki Katha. It's beautifully done, shows the hardships that peasants in rural India face and the kind of love and loyalty the animals that they keep and look after show them. You have Nirupa Roy and Shubha Khote playing sisters-in-law in this song. The song is very, very typically Eastern UP. It is such a classic, and the kind of lyrics, the meaning of the lyrics, it's a very, I would say, a very common rural theme all over India. So these two sisters-in-law are teasing each other about their respective husbands. They're asking, how does your husband look? And is your husband like this? Or my husband is like that, and so on. It's very, very charming. Suman Kalyanpur and Sudha Malhotra have sung the song. Roshanji's music with both Prem Dhawan and Shailendra Ji writing the lyrics. This one written by Prem Dhawan. Very, very lovely duet, female duet from Hira Moti, Kaunirang Mungava.
सब
The next song is a fantastic rendition by the legendary nomadic folk singer Reshma ji. She had a voice that could move mountains. Her voice had so much of pain and anguish in it. It was, and kind of a feeling of an untrammeled voice. You don't feel like you can ever find her sitting inside a room and singing. This movie was Hero. Came out in 1983, Jackie Shroff, Meenakshi Sheshadri in the lead. Huge hit. It had action, it had romance, it had music, it had angst, it had everything you can ask for. Lakshmikant Pyarelal's music with Anand Bakshi's lyrics. I remember I was in college when this movie came out and we were all like blown away by it. Jackie Shroff being the current heartthrob at that time. But this song is a very distinct Punjabi folk style of song. It has very minimal music, flute being the prominent kind of instrument, a little bit of guitar here and there, and a little bit of santoor. But the main, I would say, star of the song is Reshma ji's incredible voice. From Hero, Char Din Anda.
बस कल परसों जीऊंगी मैं कैसे इस हाल में बरसों मौत ना आए तेरी याद क्यों आए हाय लंबी जुदाई चार दिनों दा प्यार और रबा बड़ी लंबी जुदाई होठों पे आए मेरी जान दुहाई है लंबी जुदाई चार दिनों दा
The last song for today is from a movie called Main Tulsi Tere Aangan Ki. This was based on a Marathi novel called Ashi Tuji Preet. It was by Chandrakant Kakodkar, I think. And the movie was a big hit. It was eminently watchable. It had a huge star cast. Vinod Khanna, Vijay Anand, Asha Parekh, Nutan, Neeta Mehta, Dev Mukherjee. Oh my God, I could go on and on. The music actually was very nice. It became very, very popular as well. And it was Lakshmikant Pyarelal with Anand Bakshi. This particular song, it could be interpreted in two ways. One would be where a woman or maybe even a man could be singing to their object of their love, saying, hey, the moment our eyes met, I'm lost. My whole soul, everything is lost because I'm so much in love with you. But on another level, It could be a devotee singing to the Almighty, saying, once I have discovered your existence, I am lost. I have lost myself in the love of you to God. Lata ji and Asha ji have sung this duet. So from Tulsi, Main Tulsi Tere Aangan Ki, Chhap Tilak Sab Chini.
ओ छाप तिलक सब छीनी रे मुँह से नैना मिलाएंगे छाप तिलक सब छीनी रे मुँह से नैना मिलाएंगे छाप तिलक सब छीनी रे मुँह से नैना नैना से नैना नैना रे मुँह से नैना मिलाएंगे नैना मिलाएंगे छाप तिलक सब छीनी रे मुँह से नैना नैना मिलाएंगे नैना मिलाएंगे नैना मिलाएंगे छाप तिलक सब छीनी रे मुँह से नैना मिलाएंगे तेरी सखी मैं तो से कहूँ मैं तो से कहूँ हाय तो से कहूँ मैं जो गई थी पनिया भरन को पनिया भरन को छीन झपट मोरी मटकी पटकी छीन झपट मोरी झपट मोरी मटकी पटकी नैना मिलाएंगे छाप तिलक सब छीनी रे मुँह से नैना मिलाएंगे.
That's it for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed the episode. I hope it's brought memories of other folk songs. I have enough probably for 3-4 episodes on the same topic. For those of you who've subscribed to my channel, thank you very much. And for those of you who've not, please go to YouTube and subscribe to my channel and spread the word amongst your family and friends. I'll be back in 2 weeks, but until then, remember, music is food for the soul. Keep listening.